Hi guys, so in today's video, I'm only going to be using the small guns, as in the pistol, and going up to some of the better and bigger guns, but there's a twist. Every time I win a round, I get to switch to the next best gun, so I go from pistol to this gun to this gun. That's about it, if I can get. So, I'm just going to go into public, see how things go. Let's hope they go fine, I guess. If I don't choke, this could be it.
Why'd you turn off your light? Oh.
Fuck. If I don't choke.
Match starting.
Shoot, my mic isn't muted. He did it.
Round starting.
Oh my god. What? No way.
This could be it.
Round starting.
What?
This could be it. My person I beat could actually not be such low rank as I thought.
Round starting.
No way. Oh my god.
Could actually, if I won here, and then I'd be good. I'd be set for eternity.
Round starting.
Be set. He got me.
Round starting.
I can't see. I can't see. I was in my circle.
Good. I think I'm good. I think, chat, I'm good.
Round
This could be
starting.
it. It's my fourth round. My fourth actual round. If we're not counting people leaving, then it'd be my fourth. Which would be great. So I've been recording for
Round starting.
a decent amount of time just doing pistol.
No way. Your shoes are so good.
Oh my gosh, how did he was one freaking tap with a headshot.
Round starting.
No.
Yeah, guys, that's it with pistol. Yay, next round. Now I'm using. We can't see here. Now I'm using the next best thing up.
My collar's blue. My neck is red. No, sniper, buddy boy.
I'm only using pistol for YouTube videos. Well, different types of pistols.
That's
Match starting.
What is that? Oh, 7. I said 1.
Round starting.
actually kind of cool. Bro, how did I miss again?
The other pistol was better.
Round starting.
I hit that.
Oh crap, my god. What?
Half of my shots I'm hitting. Half of them I'm also hitting.
Round
I
starting.
think this is it though. This gun.
No, I missed, bro. My shotgun's on your head and it won't hit.
It's because I'm the alpha, I'm the leader, I'm the one.
What is going on?
Round starting.
I might leave this.
Tie.
I think this is it. That's
Round
pretty
starting.
good, at least. This one's over with.
Noise.
No doubt about it. Good luck. I'm only using one weapon, so. Well, I picked I should be able to win this if I play my cards correctly.
Match starting. Round starting.
I wonder who's gonna win this. If I just sit on top of him, he can't climb because new.
Round starting.
I win. Behind.
Round starting. Round starting.
See him. He's actually hitting the shots. He actually hit the shots on me. It's impressive back there for that rank.
Round starting.
Shooting at the towels. Where the heck is he? Oh.
Round starting. Round starting.
Well, that's the end of that.
I thought you were a
I gotta do
third.
my quest. I gotta do my quest. Yo, I gotta do my quest.
Okay guys, so if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, all that good stuff. Because we all know clearly which small gun is the best, and it's the revolver. I mean, I won in my first round, unlike pistol when I won in my fourth, and unlike the other one when I won in my third round. So, good luck, I guess, with your matches, I don't know. And see you in the next one. Peace.